Of course naman, I feel like anyone would want to stay longer inside the house if given a chance. And yeah, I think also if I could have stayed longer, siguro mas nakilala rin nila ako. But I also have no regrets sa 3 weeks na yun. Kasi sa 3 weeks na rin naman na yun, so unexpectedly na may mga taong mahal na rin. At marami na pala ako na-inspire. Sabi ko, akala ko sa 3 weeks na yun, wala akong napakita sa outside world. Pero surprisingly, when I went outside, parang a lot of people cried with me. Pag may mga ibang tao, pag nakikita ko sila, they would cry. So parang, kasi parang they understand what I was going through. And some people were nakaka-relate sila sa akin. And yun talaga yung pinaka hindi ko in-expect. But again, I was so grateful for that. Because bilang artista rin naman, even before pa ako nag-PBB, bilang isang actress, ang laging purpose ko sa mga tao is to inspire and to motivate a lot of people. So, siguro hanggang dun lang talaga yung PBB journey ko. Better things is waiting for me in the outside world, but no regrets. Kahit naman nung tagal ako doon, or if I stayed shorter, I feel like nothing would change rin. I mean, like, mahal pa rin ako ng tao, minahal pa rin ako ng tao, and I will always be grateful na naging parte ako ng history ng PBB.